Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. I just wanted to make a quick video about Senseonics, or maybe some say it's Senseonics. I'm going to say Senseonics. Probably depends where you're from as to how you say it. But this just had a lot of action last week. I was wanting to make a video about it on Friday and didn't get that done, and ended up working over the weekend. But anyway. Friday, the volume on it was 203 million, and as you can see, the run up here in the last week is kind of why it caught my eye. It was trading kind of sideways here at 86.92, and then on the 14th, it just kind of took off, and Friday, the 15th, kind of came down a little bit, but definitely one to watch. It's kind of an interesting company. If you haven't heard of this one, it engages in the design, development, and commercialization of an implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. And as you know, well, as you're listening, there's probably quite a few people listening, watching the video that's got diabetes. My grandpa was pre-diabetic. I've wondered if I should be checked here again. Sometimes tingling in the feet and so on. But anyway, there's tons of people out there with diabetes, so I just thought this would be a cool video. It's kind of a cool product. Its primary product is the brand SENS, a glucose monitoring device which includes sensor, smart transmitter, and mobile application. The company was founded in June 26, 2014, and is headquartered in Germantown, Maryland. So again, kind of a small market cap, 191 employees. Average volume is 33 million. On Friday it was 200, so that's about 7 times that, well, 6.5 times that, but not too bad a ratings, 57%, and you can kind of see the earnings are kind of all over the place. So I don't think they've really established themselves yet, but they have kind of a cool product coming out. That's why I wanted to talk about it and kind of see what the stock is going to do and see if it'll take off again tomorrow or not. 10 things you need to know before investing, and we'll just go over a couple of them here. Continued positive movement for SENS stock in pre-market. Trading comes after a run-up yesterday. That saw 34.9%, while 25.76 million shares changed hands. To put that in perspective, the company's daily average trading volume is 7.26 million shares, so even less by this article. So what exactly has SENS stock soaring higher? That's kind of a tongue twister. We'll start over. So what exactly has SENS stock soaring higher? That's still unclear, but investors are boosting the stock up on social media. And I've been hearing a lot of talk about this one here today. Unfortunately, I didn't get mine done on Friday, so it looks like I'm just jumping on the SENS bus here with all the other ones, but that's all right. It's also worth noting that the stock is more vulnerable to volatility due to its being a penny stock. So again, there's lots of penny stocks out there. Everybody's wanting to run up the penny stocks. With the newest interest in SENS stock, investors will need to know more about the company, and here's a couple of things to watch. Senseonics Holdings is a pharmaceutical company behind the Sense CGM system. This is a sensor for patients with diabetes that is placed under the skin, so much more easier. If you're diabetic, I don't have to explain it to you. Drawing the blood from the finger to be tested, so this just sounds more comfortable, more all the way around. Just sounds like a better product to do the testing. The sensor is a long-term, and a rechargeable transmitter is placed above it to receive data. patients can go for 90 days at a time when using the device to monitor their glucose levels. The sensor and transmitter also work with an app that the patients can download on their smartphones. So very nice, very technological. The app allows for real-time tracking of glucose levels, which updates every 5 minutes. Senseonics Holdings is also working on a 180-day version of the SENS CGM system. However, it's waiting for approval from U.S. Food and Drug FDA before it can launch the product. So if we get the FDA approval, this thing, I have no doubt in my mind, will skyrocket here. So I think that's why everybody's watching it also. Its application approval was delayed due to the current focus on applications related to the novel CV. And as you know, on my channel we don't say that word, so it hurts my channel. Even so, the company said earlier this week that it expects the application to be approved by the end of Q2 2021. SENS stock was up 56.3 in the pre-market trading on Friday. And there's some more information down here I thought was rather interesting as well. Options traders betting on a big move in Senseonics Holdings stock. Investors in SENS need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That is because the February 19th, 2021 dollar call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options today. What is implied volatility? Implied volatility shows how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that investors in the underlying stock are expecting a big move in one direction or the other. It could also mean that there is an event coming up soon that may cause a big rally or huge sell-off. However, implied volatility is only one piece of the puzzle when putting together an options trading strategy. And this just kind of goes over what analysts thinks. Just for sake of keeping the video short, you can go ahead and pause that and read that one for yourself. And that's pretty much it on the article. This kind of goes into their website. This kind of goes over some pictures of the product. This just kind of goes over their website a little bit. The world's only long-term CGM system with the SENS 90-day CGM system. You can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. SENS provides continuous blood glucose monitoring for up to 90 days via under-the-skin sensor, a removable and rechargeable smart transmitter, and convenient app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management. And here's kind of a look at the sensor, transmitter, and the mobile app. I'll go ahead and link the website in the description as well, and there's a couple videos here you might be interested in watching. And back to tip ranks, showing a moderate buy. It's just kind of showing at $1 here. Probably don't have a whole lot of info on how to analyze it, and that's really all that I could find. Again, I was wanting to do this last Friday, but it's definitely going to be one to watch. I'll just kind of watch the action on it tomorrow. Might pick up some shares. If I do, I'll make another video about it. If you did pick up some shares back here before the run-up, or even picked them up and sold them here at the peak, that would be nice to know in the comments. And that's pretty much it about Senseonics. Go ahead and hit the like for me. That really helps out the channel. And trying to grow the channel here up to 200 subscribers, if not more, by the end of the month. Last I checked, I think we're at 150, so no doubt in my mind that we'll be able to reach that. And just wanted to bring SENS towards you. If you haven't heard about it yet, be an interesting one to watch and trade tomorrow. So again, this is Jay, Falling Forward Financial. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.